Hi human beings of the internet, I'm just praying to nothing because that is all I have. So, I'm trying to live out my YouTube fantasy. I'm in my YouTube era.
You know how much I wanted to fucking pick up a fucking chair and smash it across her fucking face.
Oh my god, pussy is talented and it does do cartwheels. Anyways, I would like to start off by explaining my really amazing phone curse. I have a phone curse. Like, I've bought 2 phones this year to use 2 iPhones. They don't work. Well, they work, but there's always something wrong with them. Like, this one has a faulty screen, the one I'm literally videoing on. And it's just glitchy, and I need a new one. So, I decided I was going to slay girl boss. I got the pink iPhone. It is true. It was either the pink one or that green iPhone 11, which is so beautiful. Like, do you see that? That is so pretty. But the pink one is also really nice, and it's the iPhone 13, which is even better than the 11. Essentially, it's supposed to be coming tomorrow by 1 p.m. So I'm gonna keep you all updated. We're gonna get a little unboxing moment. So cute.
You're in your unboxing era.
I'm in my unboxing era. I will be back tomorrow. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover here because my fiance was asleep. But this is me unboxing the phone. Look how shiny it was. It came in a little envelope. It's been used, obviously, so that's why. And that's me trying to turn it on. You can tell I was like half awake, or half asleep even. I was very excited though. It's been a whole ass fucking minute since I took that last video. I won't even lie. I won't lie. Depression. Let's just put up to that. Let's just put it up to that. And we'll be good. The case came. How fucking cute is that? It makes the pink pop so much more. ASMR. No. Here is the layer I have going on. It is very cute. It is very pink. It matches the back perfectly. It was color packed out specifically for this. It looks really nice. I really like that. Don't know about you, but we'll see. I'm getting a meal deal today. I'm switching to the iPhone 13's camera because it looks so much better. RIP to Bertha. She has been used, she has been appreciated, and I love every moment I've had with her, but it's the end of the road. Thank you for joining me on my first YouTube video, kind of. This has been fun. It took me way too long to make it because I'm not used to this yet, but I will get used to it and it'll be exciting. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.